What's up, guys? It is Chris here from Nup Effects, and I apologize, I forgot to film the intro and outro to this video before giving this project to its new home. So with that being said, it is me painting up a 3D printed Jack Skellington from Nightmare Before Christmas, so let's just jump right in. Quincy.
Habag. 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 Careful.
Thank you once again for sticking around until the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope you liked that I made my own brush basically to do the pinstriping on Jack Skellington. As always, there are links down in the description below that help support the channel, help me keep creating and doing what I do for YouTube and everything like that. So until next time, stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you on the next one.